can get it revamped. Something for you. I have something for you. So good.
They're actually training charge there to keep the seagulls away.
And it's not alive.
No.
Just so you know. What's everyone looking at?
Camera shy. He's a bit of a finicky eater.
I'm thinking the owl's going, if you're not going to have that.
Exactly.
She goes.
Go some fur.
No thingy.
Biggest seller because it's compact.
Sometimes the sound is kind of, you know.
It's like chewing through the skull. They always go for the head first.
We call this birdie num-nums.
Ah.
Tell Lauren. I was like, nope.
No, don't tell Lauren. She has this cute thing going on with the bird right now. Oh, it's so pretty. Don't watch it eat.
She's doing good. She's doing a lot better.
Yeah, she used to link all over the place.
September 1st, May 1st. If you're interested, go ahead and put the name for it.
I think the owl's going, hey, where's mine?
Yeah. That
It's like,
would be gone in one
Oh,
gulp.
just one gulp, yeah. Because Flinger like rips the food apart where Jessie just pops it back.
Gulps the whole thing.
oh,
She's young.